Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have my pregnancy update video. I asked you guys on social media if you guys wanted like a pregnancy update video, and I also asked you guys on Instagram to send me your questions in case you guys had any questions, and some of you guys did have questions, so I'm going to be answering those questions today, kind of give you guys a little bit of an update. I know that a lot of the times you guys see, you know, my social media or whatever, and everything just looks perfect, and you know, the pictures and stuff. Keep in mind that that's my job. I obviously need to upload photos on Instagram, but trust me when I tell you that as soon as I take that photo, I wipe off my makeup. As soon as I film the video, I wipe off my makeup. I also put on very comfortable clothes because that's reality. So I don't want you guys to think that just because you guys see something on Instagram or something on YouTube doesn't mean that the person is like that, you know what I mean? Guys, by the time you guys watch this video, I am currently, I want to say, going into 34 weeks pregnant. Hopefully I make it, you know, till the end. I did screenshot you guys' questions from Instagram. So a lot of you guys wanted to know what is my birth plan as far as natural or an epidural. Shout out to you guys though for asking me questions as well. As far as that question, you guys, I want to go without an epidural. Like I want to do a natural birth or whatever. Then again, I don't know, you know, how bad the pain is. I obviously never experienced, you know, having a child before, so I have no idea how intense the pain can get. And then in my mind, obviously knowing that there's something that can help me with the pain, I mean, if I can't handle it, then I'm obviously going to go, you know, with an epidural. I can say that I'm a pretty strong person and I tolerate, you know, pain very well. Then again, I've never been through birth. I mean, I've never been, you know, through labor or whatever, so I can't really say much of that. I mean, I want to go natural. I don't know if that's gonna happen. The reason why I want to go natural is because one, you heal faster. Two, I've just heard really good things when it comes to natural birth, like as far as the healing process and all of that. So someone else wanted to know, actually a lot of you guys wanted to know the same kind of questions. So who's going to be in your delivery room? So my plan is obviously Jesus and my aunt. I don't know if my mother-in-law is going to be here in Nevada. I don't know if she's gonna be in Mexico, but so far I just, obviously my aunt and then Jesus. That might change. I don't know if my baby's going to come, you know, by Thanksgiving or whatever, so maybe I have other family here. Obviously if my family from LA is here, then I'll probably have my cousins in there as well, you know, for support or whatever. But for sure I want my aunt there and then Jesus. Someone else asked, did you experience any scary symptoms? I don't want to say scary symptoms because I don't think I've experienced anything like scary or, you know, something like that. Like, no. Starting the third trimester though, I started to feel pain down there, like a lot of pressure, and I'll go into that in a minute. Nothing scary, thank God. What has been the best and the worst part of your pregnancy? So I feel like that's such a touchy, what can I say, like a touchy question, just because I don't like to share, you know, a lot of like the bad stuff, or not even the bad stuff, but I don't like to share so much like what scares me, or like, you know what I mean, just because a lot of people watch my videos, and like I've said it before, not a lot of people vibe with me, which is fine. But the best part of pregnancy has obviously been the kicks, you know, every time me and Jesus talk to Liam and he's like moving and he's kicking. I feel like that's one of like the best parts, you know, feeling Liam and him responding to us. And I feel like he has such a crazy personality, and the way that he sleeps, you guys, I've never, fun fact, I've never had like a round belly, you know, like normal people have a round belly. My belly is like crazy. It's like flat from the middle and like two large balls on the side. I'm pretty sure he sleeps hella crazy. Most of the time I'll wake up and the entire belly is moved to my left side. I can only sleep on my left side though. Like if I turn around to my right side, he will get so fussy and he'll start kicking me until I move back. He is gonna be a Sagittarius, so I'm guessing he gets that from his mama. And then the scariest part, or the worst part, obviously the first trimester was horrible for me, you guys. I got antepartum depression, thinking I was losing him. The symptoms were really bad. It was just intense. Like the first trimester was intense, and then like a little bit of the second one. Like I want to say like a couple weeks of the second trimester too. That was the worst part, I want to say. Someone else wants to know if I'm going to post a pic of Liam or vlog my delivery. So I want to vlog the delivery because I want those memories for me and for Liam to see later on, you know what I mean? But I don't know how that will go. So I don't know if, you know, the hospital allows me. I still have to do the hospital tour. So I'll probably ask there. But I do plan on like vlogging some of it, I guess you can say. I don't know if the actual delivery they'll let me, but we'll see. And then if I'm going to post a picture of Liam, yes, I'm going to be posting pictures of Liam. Me and Jesus were actually talking about making a family channel or like a vlog channel, just because I obviously want to document, you know, everything and have Liam when he grows older to look at those videos, and also for us just to have, you know, those videos there. So we're still thinking about, you know, the family channel or whatever, but I do plan on posting pictures of Liam. Obviously, you know, I'm sharing all of this because you guys have been a part of it, and I decided to share my life with you guys. My channel has never been only and strictly about makeup. I share my life to a certain extent. You guys don't know everything that goes on in my life because I decide to keep it that way for personal reasons. But at the same time, I want you guys to know some things of my personal life, if that makes sense. Someone else asked, have you gotten any Braxton Hicks and what are your plans for when you go into labor? What are my plans? I don't know what you mean by that. I have experienced the famous Braxton Hicks. I actually have experienced them a couple of times now during my third trimester, which it's normal, you know, it's bound to happen. I can take the pain. It's not, you know, something that makes me want to cry or like, you know what I mean? Like, the pain is bearable. So some of the things that happening to me recently is carpal tunnel on my hands. Or my doctor said it was rheumatic arthritis or something like that. Rheumatic, I don't know, but arthritis or something like that, which can't really do anything about it right now because, you know, I'm obviously pregnant. Nobody's going to take me in. But basically what's happening is that my hands are swollen, also my feet, but I'll talk about my feet right now. My hands get so swollen during the nighttime and my fingers hurt so freaking much, you guys. It's a pain that I cannot even explain. I can take the pain and it is just so intense to the point where at night I can't even open a water bottle. Like, that's how intense it is. I have no type of like strength, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I have no type of strength in my hands. Like, I can't really lift anything. I can't open a water bottle. It's that intense, like that intense. My entire joints, my fingers hurt, everything just hurts, and I can't really close my hands like this during the nighttime. It's been happening to my hands. Also, my feet have been getting super swollen. I went to a size 8.5, 9. Keep in mind, I was a 6.5, 7. So for me to go all the way to a size 9 in shoes has been like hard, you know, like what is going on, like much things just happened to us, you know, pregnant women or whatever. Also, a lot of you guys were asking me about stretch marks, and I have gotten stretch marks. I feel like stretch marks is something that you can't. Thank you.
Yo had 3 cookies, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Un beso, no me voy. I'm in camera right now. Make sure you delete that.
No.
Yeah?
No.
No, I don't want to see it online. Yeah, I'll block it.
What time does the movie start?
A las 11. Andamos debatiendo si vamos al Kennedy o vamos a Orleans, you know? Y el que acabamos de llegar. El Kennedy son, ¿cómo se llama? Son $15, güey. Ya estamos con el Kennedy. Ya estamos con el Kennedy. Vamos a ir a Orleans. ¿Qué más? ¿Vamos o qué? Qué bonito está. ¿Tenemos o qué?
Okay.
I'll leave it outside. Cuando yo venga yo lo meto, you know?
Jesus just left with his friend to the movie theaters while I film videos because I need to pre-film. But anyways, guys, as I was saying, definitely stretch marks happening on my body or whatever. And I feel like that's such a touchy subject because a lot of people think that by applying a cream or an oil or something like that, you're not going to get them. And it's not that way, you guys. It all depends on, like, I feel like a lot of people need to get educated on that fact, because I feel like it doesn't really matter what oil or lotion you use. I mean, I use a $100 oil, let me tell you. It doesn't matter on the products. I mean, I feel like the products are going to help heal the stretch marks. Keep in mind, I haven't really felt the eager to scratch my body, and I have not. So I know that I didn't get those stretch marks because me scratching or something like that. And I hate when people say that, like, oh, you scratched, that's why you got, you know, stretch marks. No, your skin is stretching, so obviously, you know, you're gonna get stretch marks. I've gained 40 pounds, you guys, so far, so it's obviously taking a toll on me. Obviously my body was bound to get stretch marks, because I don't know if you guys knew or not, but I was under 100 pounds. I was tiny. My waist was really tiny. I want to say when I started pregnancy I was 105 to like 108, and I have gained 40 pounds already. So just imagine what that did to my body. I'm gonna go ahead and insert pictures of the stretch marks that I've got. I've got it on my butt, I've got it on my inner thighs, on the bottom of my stomach. Not so much here, I'll show you guys. Not so much on my actual stomach, you guys can't really see, but I have gotten them underneath of my stomach. So I'll just go ahead and enter pictures so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But they're red, they're intense. I heard that they'll turn white eventually, but who knows. I'll keep you guys updated, obviously, in like a postpartum video. I've also gotten a lot of pain and pressure down there. The baby is rotating, his head is already, you know, getting down there, so that's the reason why I have so much pain and pressure. Like I said, I can take the pain. It's not like, oh, I can't take it. I feel like when I get to that point, then I'll head to the hospital, but it doesn't get that bad, you know what I mean? As far as cravings, I know this is going to sound crazy, but I feel like I'm on drugs because I want pan dulce 24/7. So pan dulce from like this specific bakery that we have here in Vegas, I literally want a bread every single day. And I also feel like the reason why I gained so much weight is because I've been eating so much bread. I crave cheesecake, I crave a lot of, you know, sweet bread. Anything that has bread I crave, and sweets, which, you guys, who am I drinking a Capri Sun this late? This wasn't me. I was never the type of person to eat sweets like that or eat bread like that. Like, I used to take care of myself to a certain extent, obviously, but it's just weird for me to feel that eager and that need to eat a bread, you know what I mean? So I do believe in cravings because, like I said before, this did not happen to me, and right now without the bread I just feel lost. I mean, you guys heard Jesus brought me cookies because he knows that I just feel so like desperate for bread, for cookies, for anything like that, you know? But yeah, guys, so far so good. I'm blessed. My baby is blessed. He's healthy, and I feel like that's all that matters. Now, I'm not gonna be 100%, you know, at ease or at peace or whatever until I have him in my hands, because you guys know that labor is something intense, you know. Women lose their lives, their children lose their lives, so I feel like a lot can happen, and I still pray, you know, every single day that my baby gets here healthy and that everything goes smooth. I'm not worried about, you know, anything else, the pain, anything like that. I want my baby to be here safe and sound. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys have enjoyed these pregnancy update videos. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up the video. Let me know if you guys want to see a what's in my hospital bag video, or like all those videos that, you know, mommy related content, like the birth vlog. Let me know if that's something that you guys are very interested in. Also, maybe like postpartum videos once Liam is here, you know, share my experience and all of that. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if that is something that you guys are interested in. Thank you guys so much for all of the questions that you guys sent out. I am extremely tired, you guys. There's better days than others. Sometimes I wake up with energy. Sometimes I wake up drained, as if I had zero sleep. I don't nap throughout the day just because I want to be very tired when I do go to sleep, so that way the pain that I feel, or the, you know, the the uncomfortness that I feel, I'll just sleep it off, if that makes sense. So that was my pregnancy update video. We are almost done. Please pray for me, you guys. Pray that I have a safe delivery, you know, that everything goes out smoothly. Please keep me in your prayers. And yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for riding this roller coaster with me. Don't believe everything that you see on social media. If you see me post a picture, that doesn't mean I'm 100%. You know what I mean? That's my job. I have to post pictures. I have to, you know, get ready, film videos. But there's just better days than others. Someone today told me like, wow, Tanya, I can't believe you're cleaning and you're dancing, because I uploaded a Snapchat of me, you know, cleaning and dancing or whatever. And some days are better than others, you guys. Don't get fooled. Everything that you see on social media is just, I want to say social media is, well, Instagram, it's like an outlet, you know what I mean? An outlet of memories, an outlet to post, you know, pictures. I'm not going to posting, you know, the ugly side of things. I don't want you guys to feel down. If you guys are already feeling, you know, meh, then I obviously want you guys to feel good. So I feel like by you guys seeing my pictures, seeing what I upload, you guys get motivated. I don't know. I feel like it's a rant, but take everything that you see on social media with a grain of salt. Take it to heart, because at the end of the day, we don't know what these people are struggling. You guys don't know what all these YouTubers go through. But like I said, we just never know what a person is going through on the inside. So don't believe everything you see on the outside. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here today. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a couple of videos here on the screen in case you've missed my recent uploads. And I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.